been taken down, but as you can see, the HESCO is still remaining. That's the longest thing to actually deconstruct, because normally we can either push it with a dozer or we can pull it out, but it creates a big ball. So basically we have to take bolt cutters and cut them out in sheets so we can lay them flat and strap them up and get them out of here. So they're cutting this face off, that way 50% of it is as flat as we can make it. We had 2 MCT dozers pushing on the berm pretty much from sun up to sundown to get it all knocked down. But this fob has been on what they call the Pebble, which is basically it's a list of engineer missions for ITX. Well, this one's been on the Pebble for about 5 years. Basically, all the infantry units, when they come out here, they do a mock attack on the town. So they hit it with artillery, and then they call in choppers and jets. They soften up the whole area, and then they move in and assault the town. Even though we have 4 days left to finish the project, we would like to be out in 2 to 3. That way we're not in their way, and at the same time we're not cut off from everybody else.
Out here executing this operation from the 40th Brigade Engineer Battalion, we're conducting a mechanized breach operation. They were deploying different Bradley fighting vehicles, assault breacher vehicles, and dozers to be able to conduct a breach of an anti-tank ditch and subsequent minefield. The purpose of that is so that they can conduct a successful breach of the obstacle so maneuver forces can continue offensive operations effectively. The purpose of the engineers is to ensure freedom of maneuver for the armor and the infantry forces. To allow the ground attack to continue forward and continue that freedom of maneuver, the engineers had to come in and be able to breach obstacles or allow the assured mobility of the maneuver forces so they can go to far side securities, achieve their overarching objectives, and reach the total success of the mission.
Down.
Over here or over there?
He's gonna probably work over here.
Okay. We want to stay away from the traffic as much as possible.
All right. We're gonna get anywhere else.
So we're not gonna do anything.
No, I mean it's not.
Wait!
He goes. We can even. He goes. I go with him. Yep. Yeah. Right on. You all know this isn't real good for your lungs. Claim it to the VA.